Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. Today I wanted to show you how to make a Plushie Nuka-Cola bottle from the game Fallout 4. In anticipation for World of Warcraft, I thought I'd pay homage to my favourite game, Fallout New Vegas. Why is it my favourite game, you ask?
Nice.
No comment. I ended up redrafting this pattern 4 different times until I ended up with this. I think I'll revisit it later on to make different versions, but for now, I'm really happy with it. So let's get into the video. For the construction, you're going to need brown, white, and red material. I'm using felt, and you'll need matching thread for each material to blend with the fabric. You'll need toy stuffing, a sewing needle or machine, a fabric marker, scissors, pins are optional but extremely helpful, and a printer. The first thing we're going to need to do is to print off the pattern and cut it out. The link to the pattern is down below in the description for my DeviantArt. Don't worry, it's completely free and you don't have to do anything to get it, I promise. Once you have all of the parts, we need to begin tracing it onto the fabric, leaving an appropriate seam allowance where needed. For the brown fabric, you'll need the 4 bottle sides, 8 rocket arms, the bottom of the bottle, and the neck of the bottle. In the red fabric, you're going to need the bottle cap top, the bottle cap side, and the smaller back of the label. And lastly, in the white fabric, you'll need all of the writing and the larger back of the label. When you are tracing the writing, make sure it's backwards so that when you flip it the right way up, you can't see any of the pen marks. It can be pretty awkward and frustrating. I traced it and cut it out a total of 3 times trying to get it right and not mess it up. Then we just need to cut it all out. We can now start assembling the bottle. The first thing that we're going to do is to make the label. I'm just going to be using small neat stitches, matching thread and connecting the 2 label pieces together with the red piece centered. Then, after that, we just need to join on the writing and the accent. This can be really time consuming, so just be patient with it. After that, we just need to sew up all of the rocket arms by placing all of the tracing on the outside and sewing along the line. After each one is complete, we can flip it inside out and stuff it a little to give it that protruding look from the rocket arms on the rocket bottle in game. Then, we just need to attach the bottle together with the arms tucked into the bottom. It's helpful to use pins to join the arm sides on first to make sure you're joining the arms on and sealing the bottle sides together. Make sure the arms are pointing out to the side that doesn't have tracing, and sew with the tracing side up so that you can see the sewing line. After the first one, I recommend sewing on the label now so it's centered on the line, just so there aren't too many pieces in the way. Then, we just need to join the rest together. Then, we're just going to use the same concept as we have been with the tracing for the lid and just sew along the line to join it together. After that, add the smaller white writing and accent on with the matching thread to the top of the lid. Once the lid is completed, we then just need to join it to the top of the bottle. We then just need to close it off by aligning and sewing along the bottom of the bottle. You finally reached about 3/4 of the way around the bottle bottom, flip it inside out so that the final side is showing and stuff it generously. We then just need to complete the bottom with an invisible stitch. Finally, this part is just for a bit of additional detail. We just need to sew on the bottleneck. I'm attaching it just below the cap and I'm using a backstitch to join it on. All of the stitches mentioned in the video have resources in the description if you need any help. When you reach the end, finish the stitch in a discreet place underneath the neck. Knot it and tuck in the knot if you have to. And there you have it, a Nuka plush. Please let me know down below what you'd like to see me make next, and leave a like and subscribe, it really helps my channel. If you like this video, make sure to check out my other crafting videos. At the moment, I have a pretty backed up list of things that I want to make, so I'll get to your requests soon, I promise. Happy crafting! Bye!